OpenAI just launched a new AI model called Garlic, and it's already surprising everyone. It's fast, smart, and way more helpful than anyone expected. Let's break down why it matters. When OpenAI first dropped Garlic, almost nobody believed it was a real model. Some people assumed the name was a prank or an internal joke that somehow leaked out. But then the first demos appeared online, and everything changed. People saw Garlic completing long tasks without falling apart. It handled huge conversations without losing track. It remembered details across entire projects, and it stayed calm and focused even when users tried to break it. Developers pushed it with massive code bases. Writers tested it with long stories. YouTube creators threw full video scripts at it. And almost every time, Garlic handled it better than expected. The internet quickly turned Garlic into a meme, the anti-vampire AI, the spicy model, the AI with flavor. But underneath the jokes was something very real. Garlic wasn't just funny, it was powerful. It proved itself as one of the most stable and reliable long-context models OpenAI has ever released. And people started realizing it wasn't just another upgrade, it was something different. Garlic is OpenAI's latest long-context language model, designed to stay organized and focused even during huge tasks. It can keep track of extremely long scripts, multi-chapter stories, giant documents, or detailed coding sessions without drifting off topic. Older models were good at short tasks, but struggled when the work got too long. They forgot details, they repeated themselves, they drifted into unrelated ideas. Garlic solves those problems by holding onto the entire structure of what you're doing. This means that when you work on big creative projects, Garlic doesn't lose the thread. It remembers characters, it follows instructions, it sticks to your style, it stays consistent. And because OpenAI redesigned how Garlic handles memory and context, it can manage tasks that older AI systems couldn't stay focused on. This makes it incredibly useful for creators, students, developers, and anyone working on long-form content. One of Garlic's most impressive abilities is its situational awareness, something most AI models struggle with. This means Garlic understands who's speaking, what's happening, what details matter, and how everything fits together. It can follow a complex storyline without mixing up characters. It can continue a long essay without repeating old points. It can match your writing style almost perfectly. It can rewrite text while keeping the meaning and structure intact. It can plan large projects and follow those plans step by step. And it does all of this while staying stable. Garlic feels like a model that remembers what you're doing, not just reacting to text. This makes it feel more like a partner instead of a tool. So whether you're writing a full story, planning a video series, coding a project, or building a script, Garlic helps you stay organized. It keeps everything clean, it keeps everything connected, and it keeps everything consistent. Most AI models are excellent at short tasks, but slowly fall apart during long or complex ones. They forget earlier details, they jumble characters, they lose track of goals, they get repetitive. But Garlic is designed differently. It maintains long-term goals. It remembers earlier instructions and uses them correctly later. It follows your style without drifting. It reduces mistakes. It stays focused. If you're writing a video script, Garlic keeps the structure strong from beginning to end. If you're coding, it remembers the overall architecture and helps you build without losing track. If you're writing fiction, it keeps characters consistent and scenes connected. Where other AI models get messy, Garlic stays sharp. And in the world of long-form work, consistency is everything. That reliability is what makes Garlic such a big leap over similar models. At first, everyone made fun of the name Garlic. Memes exploded. People joked that it would keep bad outputs away. Others said it was the perfect name for an AI that protects your projects from falling apart. Some people guessed that the name represented layers, like the layers of a neural network. Others thought OpenAI just wanted something friendly and memorable to balance out the seriousness of advanced AI. But regardless of the reason, the name works. It's funny, it's weird, and because it's so unusual, people instantly pay attention. A strange name attached to a serious model creates the perfect storm of curiosity. And now, Garlic is becoming one of the most talked about AI tools of the year. This is where Garlic truly shines. For creators, Garlic might be the most useful OpenAI model released in a long time. It writes long YouTube scripts with clear pacing. It organizes massive projects that normally take hours to structure. It handles complicated editing tasks without breaking the flow. It builds stories that stay consistent across many chapters. It rewrites scripts while keeping your voice. It follows instructions better than previous models. And the longer you work with it, the more it seems to understand your style. This means fewer mistakes, faster production, and more creativity. Garlic lets creators focus on ideas instead of fixing AI errors. That's why so many people are calling it a game changer. It turns long-form work from a struggle into something smooth. If you're a writer, Garlic helps you build entire worlds. If you're a YouTuber, Garlic turns your ideas into structured scripts. If you're a developer, Garlic keeps your code base consistent. And if you're a student, it helps keep notes and essays clear and organized. Garlic isn't just another model, it's a creative multiplier. OpenAI has hinted that Garlic could be the first of a new generation of memory-focused AI systems. Future versions might support even longer context windows, maybe entire books. They might help with images, videos, audio, or even mixed media workflows. Creators could use Garlic-style models to manage full production pipelines. Imagine an AI helping with writing, editing, thumbnails, scheduling, metadata, and content planning, all in one place. If OpenAI continues pushing this direction, AI won't just help with tasks. It will help manage complete workflows. Garlic might be the early foundation of something much bigger, a future where AI handles the pressure of large projects so you can focus on creativity. This could change how creators, developers, and students work forever, and Garlic is the first real step toward that future. And that's the quick breakdown of OpenAI's Garlic AI. Strange name, powerful tech, and a big step forward for long conversations. What would you create with Garlic? Drop your idea in the comments. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to watch this next video about new Runway AI video generator. This is Artificial Adamena, where imagination meets intelligence.